My name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have Bitcoin daily update. As Bitcoin ignores every single risk metric, of course, we are going to see what is going to happen with BTC and the altcoins that most of them are going upwards. Some of them are staying flat. We need to check out whether Bitcoin is going to move all the way up higher. Now, as the next target of BTC, after ignoring the risk metrics, and I will explain what I mean, it is the 38 to 39,000 Tether USD. Now, into the short term, we are going back into the 4-hour frame, and you can see this kind of price action. To be honest with you, around here, I was thinking that BTC is actually going to fall, right? Around here, I was thinking that we have a huge risk in the daily, huge risk in the 4-hour frame, huge risk even in the weekly, and we are going to fall. However, from the time that Bitcoin kept going higher, from the 50-day MA, from the 20-day MA, riding all those lines right here, I was certain that something is not going to happen. For Bitcoin, it was to go down. And instead, what it is going to do, it is going to move all the way up straight to the 39,000 Tether USD. Now for BTC, into the 4-hour frame, we have the 36.6K. You can see that right here as well. And you can go even higher right there. Now, I want you to be careful out of something. Whenever we go into the weekly frame above the 70s, it is a time where we might be seeing the first correction coming in for BTC. Okay, so I want you to be a little bit careful. I think that it is good that we went all the way into an overbought situation right here, but apart from that, you should be a little bit careful. I was pretty certain, and that's why I told you that the bull cycle has started when we were down to the 22,000 Tether USD. It was because we already approached the oversold situation. Right there, we would have to go again above the 70s in order to say that Bitcoin is going to correct. Right now, though, we are having a huge risk in the weekly, daily, 4-hour frame. So it isn't something that you should be saying, oh, I'm going to invest independently. Yes, and I'm going to make money for sure, right? Okay, you have to have targets. And if something goes wrong, you need to have strict stop losses so you can exit. 38.9K is a very valid target right here. I think that we can approach this target. We can go up there another 7% around there from where we are right now before we go down. Okay, so as of the altcoins, I have some altcoins that I have already said to invest long time ago. This is the Bitcoin Cash, which is riding the 20-day and the 50-day MA. This is the Graph GRT, okay, and some other altcoins as well. And I think that this was the other altcoin that we were mentioning. I'm trying to figure out because I do not remember except Bitcoin Cash. Okay, I think that it was Maker. Yeah, right now I'm just seeing the screen right here. I think that it was Maker, but I can't find it out. Oh, there we go. Maker as well is one of the altcoins that are in a huge price action to the upside, and they are riding the 20-day and the 50-day in the weekly frame. That means they are entering a nice bull cycle. They are just entering, and we avoided right here, as you can see, to have a bearish RSI divergence in the weekly scale. It closed at the 73.96. Absolutely scary and amazing at the same time of what Maker can do. It will surely go above the 2000 Tether USD, and maybe we are going to see the 3000s and so on, but it is a great altcoin to invest right now as we are talking, because even if Bitcoin corrects, as we talked about, the Bitcoin's dominance will fall, and then it will give room to the altcoins to go upwards and to have a nice uptrend. You can see many altcoins have underperforming because of the Bitcoin's dominance increasing right now. But as long as we are going to get to those numbers right here, and we are going to have Bitcoin going sideways or maybe correcting, then altcoins after the first correction because of Bitcoin, they will just move higher. Okay, so I'm very confident about the altcoins. Right now though, please be careful a little bit on the weekly scale. I know that the price analysis is looking great, right? We are riding the 20-day MA. We do not fall. We every time ride the 50-day and the 20-day MA, which indicates a very nice bull run into the lower time frames. But I want you to be careful as well. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day and see you soon. Bye.